So this is the 19th session of the food safety and quality assurance, and the topic which should be continuing from the 18th session is the food safety management systems. So why food safety management system is important? A foodborne illness is a disease transmitted by food to people. An illness is considered an outbreak when two or more people report the same symptoms after eating the same food. An investigation is conducted by regulatory authorities and the outbreak is confirmed by laboratory analysis. Each year, millions of people get sick from unsafe food. A food safety management system can prevent these kind of outbreaks and save a company thousands of dollars. The cost of a foodborne illness to a company. The foodborne illness costs billions of dollars each year in United States. The cost can be broken down as follows: loss of customers and sale, negative media exposure, loss of reputation, lawsuits and legal fees, increased insurance premiums, staff missing work, lower staff morale, staff retaining costs. More important than the monetary loss is the human cost. Victims of foodborne illness may experience lost work, medical costs, long term disability, and even death. How foodborne diseases occur? Unsafe food is usually results in the contamination, which can be broken down into three categories. Biological contaminants are pathogens such as viruses, parasites, bacteria, or fungi. Chemical contaminants can include cleaners, sanitizers, and polishes used incorrectly. Physical contaminants are foreign objects that get into food, such as bag ties, dirt, glass, metal shavings, and any number of things. Food becomes unsafe if food handlers make mistakes. The five most common mistakes or risk factors that cause foodborne illness are purchasing food from unsafe sources, failing to cook food correctly, holding food at incorrect temperatures, holding contaminated equipment, practicing poor personal hygiene. How a food safety management system can help. A food safety management system is a group of practices and procedures put in place to actively control risk and hazards throughout the food process and ensure the regulatory compliance. One such system is hazard analysis and critical control point. An effective hazard analysis and critical control point is written specific to each operation for ISO standards. The way a HACCP works is by setting up a system based on three steps, that is, identify and evaluate the hazards by conducting a hazard analysis and determining the critical control points, controlling the hazard by establishing the critical limits, monitoring procedures, and identifying the corrective actions, verifying the effectiveness and maintaining the HACCP plan by establishing procedures for record keeping, and documentation. A safety management system for food can ensure regulatory compliance to ISO standards by actively controlling risks and hazards through the food processes. Significantly, biological, chemical, or physical hazards are defined to identified at specific points. Once identified, these hazards can be prevented, eliminated, or reduced to safe level. Setting up an effective management plan on your own is not easy. Hiring an ISO expert such as Ledge Incorporation helps your company implement an effective plan. The components of food safety management system. The general management component. The management supervises the entire system. It chronicles the national organization's role and responsibilities, policies, and procedures about human and monetary resources. Technical component. This component includes the plans and procedures for the range of activities needed for the development, implementation, ongoing operations, and management of the national organization's food safety program, generic HACCP model, and commodity specific procure manual. Conformance component. The conformance component includes the procedures to evaluate individual procedure conformity to the requirements of the commodity specific producer manual. Auditor training component. This component converges on the education of the food safety auditor. The training modules for this component are a specific documentation of the auditor training component involves course aims, contents, materials, and improvement mechanism. Who needs a food safety management system? Under EC regulations, all food business premises where food and drinks are made, prepared, sold, stored, distributed, or served, such including mobile or temporary premises such as delivery vehicles, must be enrolled with the Environmental Health Department of the local authorities. Need for food safety management system. The food safety management system cannot be neglected in food safety and FSSAI license registration. This is because food safety is the superior reason for an FSMS program. This assures that the food given by the food business operators is safe for human consumption. Many regulations have been devised by the FSSAI, including the FSSAI programs for all food business must comply with. The international standard ISO 20003 defines FSMS as a set of interrelated components that establish policy and plans. Policies have been widely used to direct and control the business organization, such as the purpose of food safety is attained. For this purpose, many food safety certifications have been set to strengthen the system for given food safety. Benefits. So, what are the benefits of the food safety management system? It plays an important role in identifying any hazards that might show up in the process of food preparation. This way, you can then plan on how to prevent these hazards. Even FSMS provides safety on the global level. Expand business without hassles. It is a great way to ensure that your food manufacturers and distributors also share the same goal of consumer safety and follow certain rules for it. You don't have to go out to the way to meet legal or corporate requirements. Your certification does it for you. This will save a lot of time and money for you. Local or national food safety standards for retail might need to acquire an ISO standard to prove that you do focus on consumer safety. With a certification, you don't have to deal with the hassle of more legal terms for requirements. All raw materials, ingredients, and food products are safe and hygienic. While this is a great for a customer, it is also protect chef and workers, anyone who is involved in the preparation. If your restaurant is known to meet international safety standards, this improves the image of your restaurant by leaps and bounds. That's all for this session.